Hello and welcome to the light home review for the Fantasia Capri ceiling fan. The Capri is one of the smallest fans that Fantasia makes, comes in a 36-inch diameter. There are two kinds, there's a Capri without a light and a Capri with a light, and we'll take a little look at both for you in a moment. But first of all, the colours available are white, stainless steel and a white and stainless steel version, and there are multiple choices with the blades. There are white blades, washed oak, dark oak blades. There's quite a good combination. Warranty wise, being a Fantasia fan, you get a 10-year motor warranty. Doesn't come with a remote control, it's pull cord operated, but you can add a remote control if you want one. Weight wise, 6 kilograms means it's kind of a mid-range, erring on the small side of things, so it's perfect as well for ceilings with not a massive amount of support. So yeah, so what we'll do is we'll open them up and take a little look for you. If we take a look at the Capri without a light, first of all, we snip the sellotape on either end of the box, and we be careful when snipping the top not to catch the blades as usual. First thing we see inside the box, set of instructions, as you would expect. You can download those in digital format on our Facebook page, which is facebook.com/lighterhome, or you can email us, we can send you a copy. Warranty card, as usual with a Fantasia fan. We can register your fan for you on our Facebook page as well, if you join our group. Pack of blades. Now this is the white version. Quite handily, they put a piece of card inside the packet in case you do nick with the blade while opening the box. You just catch the card, not the actual fan blades themselves. We'll pop them there. And a screw pack, as always, self-explanatory. In there also is your self-balancing kit, which we've explained before, in case you have a slight wobble, which would be unusual. You get a kit to help balance the fan itself. So we remove the first tray. In the second tray, at the bottom of the box, it's quite simple, blade holders, or blade carriers if you like. These are the metal arms that fit around the motor of the fan, and the actual blades fit onto the blade arms. You get 5 of those. It's a 5-blade fan, the Capri. Pop them there like that. And then you get to the motor housing, the main part of the fan. Here we go. Now the Capri is a quality fan. There we go. It's designed to be flush to the ceiling. So as you can see, it's got the attachments to go directly to the ceiling. There's no light on this version, as we've already explained. And if we look, there we go, reverse switch, right on the side of the actual fan. So if you want to recirculate hot air trapped at ceiling level, you can flick that switch. We tend to do that once a year in the autumn to let the central heating air come back down again. There is no light on the bottom of this fan, so there is a blanking plate on this unit here. It is pull cord operated, which is easy. Click on for high speed, click again for medium, click again for slow, click for off, basically. Measuring from ceiling height down to blades is only 16 centimetres, so it is actually a very small fan. It's perfect for low ceilings. So that is the without light version. What we'll do, we'll open up the other one and show you the slight difference with the with light version. Looking at the Capri with a light, we'll do the same again, snip it open, so we can have a little look inside. The lit version comes in a larger box, as you would expect, and it's slightly heavier, about 6.5 kilos because of the light on the bottom. Instructions again, warranty card, screw pack, self-balancing kit, and the blade arms, which we discussed on the non-lit version, and the blades. Exactly the same. We're going to take that tray out, like so. Now when we get to the motor housing, the difference is it's got a pre-installed light kit fitted to it, which I can show you. And I can take this bag off. There we go. There. Now the light kit attaches to the bottom of the fan. There. It's still exactly the same. It's still flush fitted to the ceiling. Still got the reverse switch on the side. Only now with the light kit, it takes 3 screw cap bulbs, which are 60 watt maximum wattage. Pop that there like so. There is an additional pull switch in the middle, which operates the light on and off. And also, in the box, there's a separate box which has got the glass shades. You find the glass shade is broken in the box, just give us a call. They're replaceable. We hold them all in stock. All the spares are held in stock. So obviously that brings the fan down a little bit further from the ceiling. It's still the 160 mm, 16 centimetres down to the blades, But with the addition of the light, the lowest point is 34.6 centimetres. There is a very similar fan with smaller blades called the Amalfi fan, but this is the Capri we're focusing on at the moment. You can add a drop rod to both the non-lit version and the lit version if you want to. If you need to bring it down a little bit, you've got a bit of room, you're high ceiling, you can add a drop rod, which is available as an accessory, but you must also fit a conversion kit as well. Capri is one of the fans where you have to have a conversion kit to be able to fit a drop rod. It changes this top portion here, allowing it to attach. Both units, as we say, 10-year motor manufacturer's warranty. You can add a remote control. If you want a remote control, that can be added as an accessory and fits in here. If that's the case, you can remove the pull cords. So instead of having pull cords dangling, you can have a remote control, which is the standard Fantasia remote control. We'll work the light, we'll dim it up and down, we'll control the 3 speeds of the fan. Won't control the reverse, that's always controlled on a Capri by flicking the switch on the side. But if you've got a small room or a very low ceiling and you need something, you want good air movement, I would seriously consider the Capri fan by Fantasia. One more thing I should add about the Fantasia Capri fan with the light on it is the type of bulbs you can put on the actual light. Now it's designed with SES, that's small Edison screw cap candle holders for candle bulbs. You could put in incandescent bulbs, you could put in halogen energy saving bulbs. You can put LED bulbs in as well. If you're just going to use the pull cord, that's literally a click on, click off, then you're perfectly fine to put normal LED bulbs in. If you're going to dim the light using a Fantasia wall control or a Fantasia remote control that you've bought as an accessory, then if you're using LED, make sure you buy fully dimmable LED candle bulbs and make sure they're good quality as well, because the cheap quality LED bulbs can sometimes damage the unit. So yeah, so it's fully LED convertible as well if that's what you want to do. If you found this video useful and informative, then please like it. Thank you.